You're welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll understand how file tracking system works. So file tracking system is for a medical transcription company. Medical transcription company. So medical transcription company is a one actually who collect the voice file from the doctors, and that someone has to listen to that voice file and they want to convert into text format. This is the main concept. So in this project, basically we want to collect all the files and then we want to transfer that files to the transcriptionist, from that to the quality checker, and then we can make the final document ready that we can give back to the hospitals. So therefore file tracking system is basically for the medical transcription company. Medical transcription company. So what is medical transcription? So here you can see that there is a doctor, here is a patient. Doctor will discuss with the patient and he'll make a voice file. So because the doctor take long time to type and all these things, therefore they make a voice file. So the voice file is corrected. Let's say V1 is a voice file. So again there is another patient V2. So next patient V3. Like that number of files will be collected from the doctor 1. If it is a doctor 1, so doctor 1 create these files on the day 1. So this is the day 1. Like same as a day 2, day 3, again doctor 2, again the corresponding files. So therefore in a day, in a one particular hospital, lot of files will be created. So all these files someone has to listen and they want to make the word file. So now to make this is a pool of files. So therefore we need to transfer this file to the transcriptionist. That is called the medical transcriptionist MT. Let's say you want to give these 3 files to the MT1. If you allocate everything to the MT1 at one stretch, maybe you can complete, you may not complete. Therefore what we can do is we can give one by one. So let's say first we can give the V1 file. Let us listen to the voice file. After listening, you have to create a word file for this. The corresponding word file. Whatever the content is there, that you need to convert into word. Once it's get over, then you can upload to the next level. So that is called the QA level. So the file go to the QA level. So with voice file along with the document file D1. Okay. So now next you'll request a file. So you can request for the next file. So V2. So therefore V2 will comes to the M1. So we can complete this V2 into document file. So that is a D2. So once these two are completed, so again he'll upload. So that will go to V2, D2 will go to the QA. So then QA will check this and then he'll upload to the final pool. This is the final pool. So that will upload it again. So again V2 or D2. So here multiple QAs. Okay, once they complete, they can request, they can upload, and they can send to the final pool. Likewise, the multiple MTs who are working in this company, they'll request the file. The file will go to the their workstation, and there they'll listen and they'll create a word file. Once the word file is over, they'll send to the next level. This is the overall concept of the project. So we need to write the project for this, and then you see to it it's working fine. This project can be implemented by using any one of these languages. We can write in VB.NET, we can write in CSharp.NET, we can write in Java, we can also make an Android application. So this project will be useful for the students who are doing these courses, any of these courses. So from this video, you will learn some language skills. So we talk about VB.NET or Visual Basic. So we'll show you some code about Visual Basic, like how it is done. Then domain skill. Domain, basically we talk about the file tracking. So you need to know like what is file tracking. So by completing this video, you'll have some idea like what is exactly the file tracking, how it works, what are the concept of it. So therefore you need to gain the knowledge that is actually called the domain skills. One is a programming skills, the other one is a domain skills. Even though you know programming very well, unless otherwise you don't know the domain skills, maybe making the complete project may be difficult. With this, when you complete this project, you will get a work experience. This work experience will definitely help you to get the job. Because in a programming, you don't need to go to company to gain the experience. Even you can sit at home and keep practice and keep gain the work experience. This experience will help you to get the job. Now let us look at the forms, which are the forms in this project. So you can see that there are many forms in this. Basically these forms are divided into 3 parts. One is admin part, MT part and QA part. Here you can see that there is a QA here, right, and there is an MT part here. three parts actually. So let's change the pen color. Fine. So I'll take blue. Fine. So next, these are the things under the admin. So here is the admin part. Okay. Next, so tables. You are using backend as a SQL Server. These are the tables. Presently, we have 5 tables. So mainly important one, employee table. All empty and QA both employees are stored in the employee detail table, and their qualification designations will be linked to the employee table. Customer, nothing but the hospital. So this is the hospital, and the file tab. So file tab will have all the information. Which file, who is the client or who is the customer, and who is the MT completed this project, who is the QA completed this project. All the informations will be stored in the employee detail table. So here is a complete form. This is an MDA form. So here you can see the 3 menu strips. So whenever you log in as admin, so that one will come. So this is the admin menu. When you log in as admin, so this will be shown, and the 2 will be not visible. When you log in as a MT, so only one menu will be shown. When you log in as a QA, the other menu will be shown. So what they can do as a admin, you can create a client. So there is a customer. So then you can create the qualifications, then you can create the designations, and then you can create the employees. Then you can upload the new files. So upload new files. So new files, here is a new file form. So when you click this new file, this form will be opened, and it will send the corresponding data to the file table. Right, as a QA login, sorry, a first MT login and he requests the file, so therefore you will get a voice file. Then you have to upload both voice file and the text file. When a QA request, QA will get both the files, voice file and the text file. You need to listen both the things, and then you need to upload back, and it will go to the main pool. This is the main concept of the project. I'll demonstrate it and I'll show you the project for you. In case you wish to buy this project, please contact us. I'll show the demo now. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on subscribe button. And whenever you would like to prepare the project, these are the steps you need to follow. So first step is you need to select the project, what project you want to do. Second thing is you need to create a project synopsis. I'll show the project synopsis for this project. Then project design. So you need to design the project, or you need to write the program. After that, you have to complete the programming. Then you have to make the project document. So these are the different steps. So for you need to have project as well as project synopsis and the project document. So first I'll show you the project synopsis. Fine. So here is the project synopsis. So here is a project file tracking system, medical conscription company. And here is the files, forms which are there. And this is the client forms. And here is the software requirement, hardware requirement and the software requirement. I'll also show you the document. So document will be around 100 pages. This is like a sample actually. So when you're making your own, so you need to more concentrate on the particular project, then you have to add a lot of content related to the corresponding project. Some are very general content about general concepts. So here it's about DFT, how to transfer new files, and then how MT will work, that explanation is given here. Then ER diagram. So in ER diagrams, we need to give the what are the columns are there in each table, that and all we need to provide. So functional descriptions. So how the whole concept work, okay. So the server room. So MT will request the file and he can send back. QL request the file and he'll send back. So all this will be calculated, and each form explanation is there here. And the table structure. And then testing, normalization, and then software requirement. Right. So then we have testing, about testing. Right. Then you have a screenshots. So what are the screens are created? All the screenshot has to come over here. Right. So then at the end we need to have the code. So what are the code is there that you need to copy and paste. So this is about the document actually. Right, now we'll move on and then check it out the project. Fine. So here is the project. I already opened it in Visual Basic 2019. So this is Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition. It is a free edition, so you can always download from the Microsoft website and you can use. Alright. So now here you can see that how to upload a new file. So new files form. Here is a new file. Here you select the hospital, which hospital it is, and then you need to browse. So when you browse, we need to open the file select window. So this is the code to select the window. From that you need to select the files and you need to upload. So once you upload, the files will come here and then you can click the upload files. So files will be uploaded. Once the files uploaded, the MT has to request the file here, request file. So here is the request file. We need to check in the pool whether files are available. If it is available, we need to request it. After requesting, you need to upload it. So you need to upload the files. Right. So then again same way, QA has to request the file and then you have to upload the file. So let me run this. So here's a file tag system. This is a welcome screen. So here is a login form. So only single login form. So based on the who logs in, so according to that the menu will be shown. So if it's admin, so we'll go to admin menu. So you can see that only admin menu. Rest of the two menus are not showing here because we check who logs in here. So if it's admin, only admin menu will be shown. Qualification, designation, hospital details. Here you can create the hospital details. So multiple, you can click new button, enter all the details and then you have to save. In case modifications or deletions, you need to click on the data grid and the data will be shown again here and then you can click modify or you can click the delete button. Alright, next is the employee details. Here are two employees, one is MT1, was a MT and then QA1 is a QA. Likewise, you need to create all the employees, rest of the employees who are working in this company. Now here is the main option, upload files. So here to upload which hospital, this is area 1. And when you click the browse, so where is the files, okay? So I go to E drive, I have a new files here, I click OK. Here I can see the files, okay? I can select the file. If you have multiple files, you can select all the files and you click upload files. So file is uploaded. Now next step is, you can go to report and you can see file track, so display. Here you can see that there are two files, so one is already completed, therefore only one is left. Today there are two new files because earlier I done one, I completed it. So therefore the one more is uploaded, that's 2. In that one is completed and balance is 1. So one more file has to be completed. If the number of files is 200, then you can see that how many empties are taken, how many QLs are taken, we can watch it here like. Fine. So now I want to log in as a MT, that's the medical transcriptionist. So again I'll run the project. We can run the exe file also, so therefore you don't need to close and log in again. So here is the MT1 is the user ID and ABCD is the password. Click OK. Change password option is provided. Here is a request file. So here is a request file. So new file copied to your local folder, please check, okay? So when I request, a new file came and if you go to C drive MT1, here you can see that there is a file which is available in the his folder. Now you need to listen to this file and then you have to create a one new text file, so document file. So in the same file name. So whatever you listen to the voice file, so there you need to fill, you need to write all the details. Generally there is a format, default format files are available. So you need to use that file. Fine. So assume you complete the file. Now everything is ready. Now you need to upload the files. So you have to click, not upload it. So you have to click upload files. So files upload successful. And now you can come and see MT1. The files are empty. So therefore both the files are moved out of this particular folder. Next step, I can go to report and I can see how many files are done. So this person done 2 files for this one and this one today. And now next step is to log in as a QA. 3 logins. One is admin login. So admin need to monitor everything. MT, that is the first step. The transcriptionist login and he'll transcribe the file. Second, QA to check whether everything is ready, everything is in order or not. Therefore, QA will check that one. So let's say you can log in as a QA1 and then ABCD. Okay. Now again here is a request file. So you can request the file. So new file copy to your folder. Please check. Okay. Now the files come. So here you can come back and you can go to C drive and QA1. So you can see that both the files are there here. Now again you need to listen and you need to cross verify everything is in order or not. If there are some changes, you need to do the changes and you need to update. After updating it, you can upload the files. Files uploaded successfully. So you can also check out the report and how many files he completed on that day. That is list is available over here. So next again we come back to admin and then we log in as admin. So here is admin, then admin. Okay. So if we go to the file track again, now you can display. So the two files both are completed. So in each stage when the empty requested, here you can see the one will come, and when empty sent out, this one will come here. When QA requests, this becomes 1 here, and then QA send back, then it becomes 0, it becomes 2 here. So step by step the files will go from one location to the other location. So how we done this? So here is a file report form. So you can click display. So here is a different columns, empty is empty out QA. So you need to check in the database. Okay, so this is a file detail table. If you go to show table data, so here whenever the file is taken, who taken the file? Right. So you can see that WA empty1 is taken, QA is QA1, QA1 a remark. Okay. So in the beginning remark is n. That means there's a new file. When empty1 requested, it becomes empty1, and when QA is requested, QA1. Okay. So like this, we can check whether the file is taken by the empty or by QA or it's completed or not. That we can check it out. Based on that, we can show the tabulated. We can show in the tabulated form. Fine. So here it all will be shown. Fine. Hope you understand the project, how to complete this project. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And thank you very much for watching this video.